The meeting between the Air India management and the union is now expected to take place after lunch. Now, there's some information coming in that the union is really not willing to relent to get into some kind of negotiation on wage agreement with the management. In fact, the union is now stepping up the pressure on the management and saying that they want investigation into the credit crunch. Kashif is now with us on the phone line. Kashif, we understand that the union is holding their ground and almost threatening to go on strike, if their demands are not looked into.
Exactly, Harishri. That is what news we're getting it out of the meeting. They have just taken a lunch break. Till the lunch talks were the deadlock between the management and the unions continued. The unions were firm on their demands. Their basic demands were basically they will not renegotiate wage agreements. They will not relent into any pay cuts as of such. They also want a full investigation into how the mismanagement of the Air India has shaped in the last 2 years. They also want the leasing of the aircraft, which has happened over the last 2 years, to be looked into. And also the management has apprised them of the meeting with the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister has assured all the employees of Air India that the airline will not be privatized. So that is one assurance the unions have got from the management. But apart from that, all the demands of the unions are still the same. They have not backed out from any of the demands. And clearly the meeting was about the deference of wages for the next month, which will be paid by Air India on the 15th of July. So clearly no resolution on that as well. That needs to be resolved in the meeting after lunch. So clearly the unions are not backing out and they are pressing and they are saying that this is not employee fault and this is fault of the mismanagement of the company, and the company should take blame for it and not the employees. So clearly the stalemate between the unions and the management, Harishri, continues here in Mumbai.